Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use if function on Excel. If you want to learn how to use if function on Excel, make sure you watch this video to the end. Please don't forget to follow me on this page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I have some set of students here that I want to grade their scores. This if function is used for grading. So I want to grade these students here automatically. You understand? I want to automate their remarks. So we have John, James, Peter, and Joy. Look at their scores here. Then remark. So the target here is any of the students who scores from 90 and above get outstanding as remark. And any of the students who scores from 70, let me say from 70 to 80 gets very good, 50 to 60 gets good, and any of the students who scores anything less than 40 gets poor as a result. So for you to do that, you have to use if function on Excel, you understand? So I'm going to do that now. So this is where I'm going to grade it on the remark. So the first cell on the remark is cell C6. Pay attention to that. Then the column where we have scores, the first cell on the column where we have scores is cell B6. But this is where I'm going to grade it now. I'm going to write the function here. So the function is if I will write equal to, understand? Then I'll write if function equal to if function. Look at what I'm going to do. What you can see. This is the function. Equal to if, then the cell where you have the scores, which is B what? 6. This cell now is B6. So I'm going to say if cell what? B6, if cell B6 is greater than equal to 90, it should return outstanding as what? Remark. That is all. Go to the next, then you put comma. If cell what? B6 again is greater than equal to 80, it should return excellent as remark, comma. Again, if cell what? B6 again, B6 again is greater than equal to 60, it should return what? Very good as remark. Then if cell B6 is greater than equal to 40, it should bring fail as result. And anything, then comma, apostrophe, then poor, it shows that anything less than 40, it should be what? Poor. Then you put bracket, 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 bracket. Ensure you do this. Make sure you do it like this accordingly. If not, you'll not get the right result. You understand? So from here, I'll click OK. Look at it. The first person, John, gets 100. So the remark is already showing what? Outstanding. Let me copy this. Let me highlight it. Let me copy. Copy. Highlight. Then paste. All right. So the second person here, James, got 60. So the remark is showing very good. Peter got 80 and the remark is showing excellent. Joy got 70 and the remark is showing very good. Now let me change their scores. By the time I change their scores, I'm changing the first person's scores. Pay attention. Look at John. Look at John's scores. John. I will change John's score to 10. You see what will happen. Paul, hope you can see. Let me change James' scores to 100. You see what will happen. Outstanding. Hope you can see. That is all. So you just have to perform if function on Excel. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you.